It's a vlogging camera. Say hey, Mom. Third look. Mom is here.
Hello.
Today is Tuesday. We're photographing.
Yeah.
Let's change. This is a Target dress. So now we change into the next look. All right, y'all. I am on a roll today. Today is Tuesday, October 12th. It's 10:53. I got done photographing with Mom about an hour ago. I always have fun photographing with Mom. Number one, it's just a blessing that I have to have my clicker and tripod. And then Mom is willing to do it, which I'm so grateful for, and she's learning different angles and how to lighten and darken things. So it's just fun. Plus it's just fun to hang out with her. So after we photographed, I had to drop off packages from Melanated Fabrics. We had a lot of online orders, and I knew it was a holiday yesterday. Well, everything was packed up and ready to go Sunday, but I knew it was a holiday, and then I knew Tuesday we weren't going to be in the office, so I went ahead and brought everything with me. Just dropped everything off at the UPS. I'm sorry, at the post office, and then I had to drop some off at the UPS. So just leaving the UPS now. I'm back. I had a call coming in I had to take, but I just grabbed me some lunch from Zaxby's. Fun fact, I used to work at Zaxby's. I was bomb, okay? I loved Zaxby's. I was the cashier that knew the regulars' orders, so if a customer came in that was a regular, I knew their order before they even told me, and they loved me. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead out. I was gonna get my nails redone because I don't like the way they're starting to look, but I mean, only I can see it if I look closely. They can really go another week, so that's what we're gonna do. But anyway, I'm back driving, so bye. Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. Today is October 13th. It's 9:51. I just made it here to the office. I have a pretty big to-do list today, so I'm really just gonna jump right in. I'm not gonna go downstairs to do any sewing this morning. The first thing I need to do is I need to get the bouclés. They're already in the system on the website, but I need to make them live. But before I make them live and available for you all to shop, by the time you see this, they'll be available. I need to shoot some features of them. So remember, I told you all features is just us shooting the fabrics that are coordinating or just alike. We need to shoot them together. So I need to do that for the website so that I can also put it on social and in our newsletter. So that's priority. That's the first thing that I'm going to do. The second thing right after that is I'm going to reach out to some indie brands because Mimi and I are excited to add notions and patterns to Melanated Fabrics. So I'm going to be reaching out to them to get on their wholesalers list, which I'm excited about. And then what else? Oh, I need to shoot a reel. I'm actually working with Crocs for Croctober, which I'm so excited about. I told you all a couple vlogs back that I wanted to start doing different content outside of just sewing. So I'm excited to be, you know, doing this little Croctober thing. Again, I have to do a reel, and reels are about like no more than 10 seconds long. So I'm gonna find a little audio from Instagram, and then just kind of, I have the idea of what I want to do in my head, so I'm hoping it comes together the way I want to for the reel. Then I can submit all of that to the brand. Oh, I'm also working with another brand that I've worked with before, like around holiday time, so that's going to be really fun. I'm trying to think what else I have going on. It's a lot. Melanated Fabric is about to turn 1. Can y'all believe that? Melanated Fabric is almost 1 year old. On October 23rd, 2020, partner and I, we launched Melanated Fabric. So her birthday's approaching. That is insane. I'm so excited about that. The military ball is up on me. I need to get a dress sewn quickly. That's like the 1st of November, so that's going to be fun. I can take y'all through the process of what I'm going to be making, sewing it, and hopefully I can do a little recording while I'm there. Y'all stay tuned for that. But right now, I need to get to work. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. Today is October the 14th. It's 10:01. I'm here at work. As you can see, I'm downstairs and I'm sewing. I'm so excited to be able to squeeze in some sewing time. I'm actually working on that simplicity pattern, the Shacket, the one that's super popular. I'm making mine from some tweed fabric that I'm super excited about. So I'm just gonna put my timer on. I'm gonna try and sew for about 40 minutes this morning before we get started. Also, yesterday I did some computer heavy work, so y'all know how that is. And then I made a little bit of progress on the Shacket, like I did the front pockets. And so today I can make a little bit more progress starting on the back of it. So I'm excited. Let's start sewing. So I am about to wrap it up downstairs and go back up and get ready for the work day. But I wanted to finish this last step before I did. So I wanted to show you all, if you're working on Simplicity 9388, when it comes time to attach your lining to your yoke seams, and that's around, let's see, what step is that? Around step 16 after you have it stitched. So once it starts at step 16, it's basically asking you to do the burrito method with rolling up the fabric so that you can connect your seams that you've already sewn to your lining. So let me show you that really quick. You see they've started to do this roll here. That's because instead of doing a slip stitch right here at the seam, we're just gonna stitch it on the machine. And so to do that, and I've done burrito methods before in previous videos, so y'all can just kind of look back and see. And definitely if it's like a shirt or a shirt dress, I probably did a burrito method there. But I'm just gonna roll up the front, and I'm rolling this up so that I can get to this seam so that we'll be able to stitch it down and have a nice clean seam. So here's the seam here, and you're taking this raw edge, you're matching it up with that seam, and we're gonna stitch there to both sides. And again, that's just gonna give you a really nice clean seam so you don't have to do any slip stitching. So again, once you get to this step right here at step 16, it's just the burrito method. And that goes for 17. You're gonna flip it out for 18, do some top stitching right there above those pockets at 19. And then you're gonna do the same thing for the back yoke. Another burrito method. If you can't tell, I miss doing sew-alongs just as much as y'all miss watching them. But I'm gonna do these last couple steps and then I'll be done and upstairs getting ready to open. Guess who's here at Melanated? Look at who's here, friends, Miss Anita. Look at Faith, she is in heaven right now. If you are not following Miss Anita, you are missing out. I'm gonna put her link in the description box for her YouTube channel and social. Please go follow. Thank me later. Hey y'all, good morning. It's Friday, October 15th, it's 10:18. I'm going to make some more progress on my Shacket. The pattern is, girl, you better warn me. The pattern is Simplicity 9388. Let me show you all the progress I made yesterday. So here's the progress. I went ahead and serged the edges because, as you know, with tweed, it'll start to unravel. And I didn't do it initially because I was like, I'll go as long as I can before I absolutely need to serge the edges. But as I, sew and pick it up and move it around, it starts to fray. So I went ahead and serged all the raw edges yesterday. And this is what we're looking like. I love this. This is gonna be so good with jeans. Ugh. Yes. I love my Shacket. Look at it, it's so good. I'm gonna do black buttons, that way they kind of pop off. And yeah, I'm excited. So the side seams need to be done. I'm gonna start working on the sleeves now. If I can get those attached in the pockets, I'm good. I'll come back down later or maybe even tomorrow and do the cuff and the front band. So I'm almost there, y'all. I'm almost there. So for my lining pieces, I went with a crepe back satin because we only have, as far as like lightweight fabrics, we have a crepe back satin in stock, and we have a matte satin, but that one is thicker. And we have other lining fabrics, but nothing black. So I went ahead and used crepe back satin. So it's a little nice on the inside. And I also used that for the undercolor, just so it wouldn't be too thick. I also used that for the up under the pocket flap too. So y'all see this? Y'all see me? Y'all see me though? I cut the medium, but I think I probably should have cut the large, or at least cut the medium for the bust and grade it to the large around the hips, because sometimes I be forgetting that even in jackets, I need that room for these, my hips. They do what they want to do, and I need to give them room to do that. Ugh. So we'll see what my Shacket looks like when I'm done. But I'm so excited. Let's get started sewing. I gotta do some IG stories. Do y'all follow Essence on Instagram? Whoever is writing their caption is hilarious. Hilarious. All right, y'all, I'm downstairs. I'm working on the Shacket pattern, so it's Simplicity 9388, and I'm actually using our Prisma tweed fabric. Love it. I have the shoulder seams attached, the lining is attached. Right now, my next step is to start working on the sleeve, so that's what I'm gonna do for 30 minutes. Got my vlogging camera on back there. Y'all are here. It's a good Friday for me. That we are blessed and highly favored. All right. Let's sew that. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. Today is October 20th. It's 11:52. I'm here at work, as you can see. And I have not been vlogging this week. I was really spotty with my vlogging last week too, so I really don't know how much footage I was able to capture. I hope it's enough to make a good video for you all. And if you've made it this far, which I'm gonna end it out, I hope you have enjoyed watching the vlog. And again, I'm gonna do better. It's just, I didn't wanna force myself to vlog. It was a lot going on. Last week, I really took things easy, even here at work. I taught 3 classes over the weekend, so I was just chilling last week. I didn't do much vlogging again, and I even took it really easy here at work. So yeah, this week I'm feeling recharged, so I guess that's really what I needed. And I didn't vlog on my days off, but I'm back here today. I'm excited because the Marine Corps Ball is approaching, and Hubs and I will be attending this year. So my next couple vlogs to follow this is going to be all about the ball. I will be making my dress. So excited. And as you can see, I have a little bit of makeup on. I'm not much of a makeup wearer. When I do wear it, it's usually for an event like the Marine Corps Ball. And so I have a little bit of makeup on today. I need to kind of, you know, play around with it and not just put it on the day of the ball. I need to get comfortable with it and, you know, just get back into it. But I really do like it. It's a really nice little everyday face, light makeup. I may continue to wear it even after the ball. But yeah, I'm excited to show you all my dress, the pattern that I got, the fabric that I plan to use, and hopefully I'll be able to do a little recording win the ball the night of it, which is a couple weeks away. But yeah, I think it'd be fun to take y'all along with us. We'll see. This week is gonna be great. Hubs is gonna be coming home this weekend. We're gonna go see the home together. Hubs hasn't seen it in person, so it'll be really good for him, obviously, to see it, you know, in person. So that's gonna be fun. I'm looking forward to that, just hanging out with him on Friday. So that's it, friends. I just wanted to pop in. I wanted to end out this vlog officially. And again, I hope that you have enjoyed watching it. If you have questions, let me know below. And I gotta get to work. It's time to get going. I'm shooting new fabrics. If you have not been to Melanated Fabrics this week, then you are missing out. The wool blends are now on the website. The boucle fabrics are now on the website. I'm gonna be putting some shirtings on the website today. Some new rayons will be arriving this week. We have some satines. And yeah, it's just some awesome fabrics, so go check it out. All right, talk to y'all later. Blessings, everyone. Bye.